How to remove someone from Slack. Sometimes you need to remove someone from your workspace. Maybe they left the team or no longer need access. Here's how. Step 1. Go to your workspace settings and administration on the desktop or tap the workspace name on mobile. Step 2. Find the Manage Member or People section. Step 3. Find the member you want to remove. Tap Remove from Workspace or Deactivate account. Pro tip: deactivate instead of delete to keep chat history inactive or for record keeping. Be careful and double check before removing. It's a big move.